Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss domain registration and web hosting. Domain registration and web hosting are two key components in establishing a website, each serving a distinct purpose. Let's break it down step by step. So at the end of this video you'll have a clear understanding of what you need to get started. So what is a domain name? So a domain name is the address for your website. It's what people type in their browsers to visit your website. For example, codingpractice.in. Just like your home address is unique, so is your domain name. You can choose from a variety of extensions like .com, .org, .net, .in, .us and many others. But how do you get one? That's where domain registration comes in. So what is domain name registration? To register a domain name, you need to go through a domain registrar, a company authorized to sell domain names. Popular registrars include GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc. So here is how it works. First, you need to search for your desired domain name to see if it's available. Select your domain extension like .com or .net. Choose your registration period, typically 1 to 10 years. Complete the purchase and enter your contact information. Once registered, the domain name is yours to use, but having a domain isn't enough to get your website online. You need a place to store your website files, and that's where web hosting comes in. So what is web hosting? Web hosting is like renting space on the internet where your website files live. So when someone types your domain name into their web browser, it's the web host that delivers your website to them. There are different types of hosting plans. Shared hosting is what we will be going to use. Your website shares server resources with others. It's affordable and great for beginners. How to choose a web host? So when choosing a web host, consider factors like cost, performance, support and features. Some popular options include GoDaddy, Hostinger, etc. After choosing your web host, you'll need to connect your domain name to the hosting account. This is usually done by updating your domain's DNS settings with the name servers provided by your host. So once your domain name is registered and your web hosting is set up, your website is ready to go live. So you can now start building your website using a content management system like WordPress or by coding it yourself. And that's it. You have just learned the essentials of domain name registration and web hosting. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you.